There are some small service businesses in the Philippines. Printing business. Post-pandemic, ang dami nagtayo ng mga businesses. So there is a surge of demand of printed materials like brochures, flyers, business cards, and various giveaways. Photo booth rental. Ang dami ngayon nagkakasalan na. Lahat sineselebrate baptism, weddings, birthdays, reunions, lahat ng pwedeng i-celebrate, corporate parties. And because of social media, ang dami talaga ngayon nagpo-post ng mga photos, kaya andyan yung mga photo booth. Uso yan rin ngayon. Bills Payment Center. So even if we are in the digital world, marami na rin ang nagbabayad online. Kasi hindi naman lahat merong bank account at saka hindi naman lahat tech savvy. So meron pa rin mga traditional way ng mga tao na ayaw nila pumunta sa bank to pay. So that's why meron rin demand ng Bills Payment Center. Piso Wi-Fi is a vending machine. Pwede itong passive income na ang tao kukuha doon ng Wi-Fi connection. So not everybody has instant connection sa Wi-Fi. Meron mga iba, they don't have the means. Laundry shop, people nowadays want convenience and they'd rather use their time wisely instead of this minor chore. Nagiging mura na rin yung laundry shop. In a few hours na kukuha mo na siya. People want to save time and energy. Online tutoring, this is advantageous for the teacher and the student kasi nakita naman natin nung pandemic, pwede naman yung online learning. Of course, you have to consider kung environment mo, conducive din siya for learning para mas effective and efficient. Car wash business, people would rather save time and energy na sila maglinis ng kotse nila, magbayad na lang sila para iba na lang mas maglinis, mas magaling pa. Like and follow.